Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Telegram wallet to your bank account or card, so it's pretty simple to do. Once you will have your total balance, not zero like mine, all you have to do is click P2P Market right there, and once you will be here, you want to go ahead and click on Sell option and choose the currency you want to go ahead and get, or also cryptocurrency. So, what cryptocurrency you want to go ahead and sell? So maybe you have ton, and you want to sell it for euros, so you want to go ahead and choose one of these options. For example, this one, the first one, is actually verified. And here it is, I pay from Visa to Visa card. As you can see, these are the options you can choose from and sell your cryptocurrency to euros, and just like so you will get your money to your card or bank. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.